Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folders by this way. If you want to rename the folder, just open it, tap on the name, and here enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. Also, you could rename it by another way. Just hold the folder for a while and tap to rename icon, tap to OK. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. Also, if you want to remove the application from the folder to the home screen, hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the just tap to edit the home screen, click to your folder, or just to select, hold it for a while and drag it to remove icon by this way. Oh, why I can't remove it? There we go. Or also you could just select these folders, these applications, and tap to remove. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.